Hey to everybody, today we're going to make roasted cauliflower. It's a great side dish for almost any dinner that you have. Super easy to make, and you can sort of adjust the spices a little bit here and there to get the flavor that you want. I'll show you what I do next, so stay with me. It's super fast, super easy.
So first, this is a little lesson on how I cut my cauliflower up. I insert the knife under here so that I can get all the little floury parts off really simply. You can see it just like breaks right off. This is the easiest way I have found to do it. And then it's got really large florets, and so then I just cut them in half or in quarters depending on how big they are. I try to get in between the little stems so that it looks a little bit better, but sometimes you just can't and you have to just cut that stem in half because it's really big. So it just depends. If you want to have little flowerets, you try to cut in between the stems, but if you can't, you're going to cut that big stem in half. After they've been cut up, I'm going to spray them with avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you like. I just use avocado oil because it has a higher heat temperature, so I typically use that. I'm going to mix it around, spray it again just to make sure all sides of the cauliflower is coated in a very light layer of avocado oil. And then I'm going to use my favorite little spice. This is a garlic season all. I will link it below in case you want it. This is a really great simple spice that just tastes good on lots of different things, and my kids love it, so I use it quite a bit. You can use salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you like, umami, whatever you like, just to give the cauliflower a little bit of flavor. So now it's all mixed up. The garlic seasonal is spread evenly, and I just dump it onto this cookie sheet that I have lined with parchment paper, and I spread it all out so they can evenly cook inside the oven. So I'm going to put the oven at either 425 or 450. It's up to you depending on your oven. Now I'm taking them out. They've been in there for about 30 minutes. Depending on your oven, you might want to do 25 to 35 minutes, somewhere in there. And I'm going to dump it into this little serving dish, and it's all done.
All right, I hope you like it. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you make any modifications in the comments, and go ahead and check out this recipe here next, and we'll see you over there.